This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pancakes really fluffy. Preheat a griddle to medium-low, sift dry ingredients and separate eggs. Whisk yolks with milk and melted butter until smooth, then beat whites to soft peaks. Fold whites gently into batter without overmixing, keeping air bubbles intact. Rest the batter to let gluten relax and bubbles stabilize, then cook pancakes slowly until edges set and bubbles pop. Start by measuring baking powder and a pinch of baking soda precisely for consistent lift. Whisk dry ingredients thoroughly before adding wet ingredients to ensure even distribution. When combining, use a folding motion and stop when a few streaks of flour remain to protect airiness. Cook pancakes on medium-low heat so centers set without burning exterior. Flip once bubbles burst and edges look slightly dry for best texture. Flavor choices change texture as well as taste, so choose wisely. A teaspoon of vanilla and 2 tablespoons of sugar add tenderness and flavor without collapsing structure. Use buttermilk or a yogurt mix to introduce acidity that reacts with baking soda for extra lift. Gently fold in berries or chips at the end to avoid deflating the batter, and keep adding amounts light so pancakes stay fluffy and tall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.